Okay lang na maging happy ka, maging contented ka. Pero ito yung importante. You should be happy and contented with what you have, but you should not be satisfied.
You're right. The first thing that you have to do is to stop comparing yourself to others. And I think that we have to remove that stigma of if you ask for help, it means that you're helpless. That's not the case. The moment that you ask for help is actually the first step to being a victor over your
Exactly.
situation. Oh, that's a good one.
I'm happy and contented that I'm eating even once a day kesa wala ako makain. I'm happy and contented that I have money to commute. Diba? I'm happy and contented I'm living in a small place kesa I live off the street. But I should not be satisfied. I'm happy and contented that I'm eating once a day, but there will come a time that I will eat 3 times a day. I'm happy and contented na may pamasahe ko, pero darating ang panahon, magkakaroon akong sarili kong sasakyan. I'm happy and contented I'm living in a small house, but there will come a day that I will own my own house. Because the good days are not behind us, but the good days are ahead of us. This may be controversial. Baka mag-trending ako by saying this.
Ganyan kami dito sa Adulting with Joy Spring.
Oo
Laging
nga eh.
trending.
Money, power, and fame can never change a person. But it can sure reveal a person. Ang pera, hindi kayang baguhin ng tao. Ang kapangyarihan, hindi kayang baguhin ng tao. Katanyagan, hindi kayang baguhin ng tao. Pero pwedeng ilabas
That's true.
ang tunay niyang pagkatao.